Hey everyone, welcome to Sue May Everyday. I'm Sue May, thank you so much for watching. So today's video is all gonna be about beauty products. So if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for sticking with me. I know I am so off schedule. I'm trying to catch up. I've just been so busy with life. Any one of you can understand that. So today's Sunday, it's a lazy day for me. The first Sunday in a long time that we're staying home for the entire day. I just have my sweatshirt on, but it's super cute. This is from L&M. I've been really loving it. It's really soft and really comfortable. It's like a chic-ish type of sweatshirt, if you guys could agree. So like I mentioned before, I am kind of catching up. So a lot of these purchases kind of ranged from, I want to say Black Friday of 2019 up until this point. So I'm going to start off with the skincare products. I've been looking at Clinique again just because like the reviews are still strong and they have some really great deals. So I'm not going to take it out of the box, but I'm just going to show real quick. This is the Repair Wear Power Player set. I'm going to say it, 40 years old. Yes, I am 40 now. Ugh, it's kind of really hard to say still, but I'm embracing it. At least I'm trying to. So, kind of focusing more on repairing myself. I'm starting to notice like the fine lines like around my eyes and everything, so trying to help with that. Obviously, since this was all during the holidays, you can see like the sparkle and everything. I don't know if it's still available, but I would definitely link everything down below if I could find it, or I'll link like the individual products below if you're interested. So anyway, this is all the Repair Wear laser focus. This helps smooth, restores, and corrects. That's what I'm hoping for. This had really good reviews. I guess I might do like follow-up videos or maybe something on Instagram once I start using the items and to see like whether or not I see a difference or if I, really like the product. Next up is this staple that I had when I was growing up. I remember using this and loving it. Been reading reviews and this is still going strong. And I loved how they had like different skin combination sets. So I picked up the more for oily skin. I do tend to have oilier skin. It's semi-combination, but more so on the oily side, especially when it gets into the warmer months. Since I'm loving my winter routine right now, I'm not gonna be using this until it starts getting warmer. So I'm like preparing to combat the oiliness that will come for me. I believe I picked this up from, I want to say Bloomingdale's. I'll put down below somewhere here like where I actually picked it up, and again, links will all be provided down below. This, you know what, maybe I will open just so we could see. And another reason why I'm lumping things into like one video is because a lot of these things have been sitting in my bedroom in the boxes still, not being used, even though I'm not planning to use this until the summer, but still, everything's still in the box. And it's because I keep hoping to do a video and I'm saving it for the video. So I'm trying to knock out these videos now so I could finally like kind of pack things away and take things out of their boxes. So it comes with a really cute carrying case. I think the handle is like glittery. Look how cute. I don't know why that like pleases me so much. I love the little details. And I'm really big on packaging as I'm learning. Oh, and this one, I think I called this in. This was Bloomingdale's. They were having like a 10% off all beauty. There was a problem with like a code or whatever I wanted to use, and I had to actually call it in. And then the customer service person on the phone was like,
"This is such a great set."
And it's because it comes with like this pumping like mechanism, and I had no idea what she was talking about, and she explained it. It comes with this huge container for the clarifying lotion. So this would go in there. So I would think once it's put in, like you just get your cotton ball or your facial cotton pad, and then you just pump on this, so that way it kind of eliminates like the need to have to like actually grab the bottle. Wow, these are like really great sizes. Like honestly, like this is huge. Like this will probably last me maybe the whole year. And then look how big this is. This is the liquid facial soap. Definitely want to use this, especially if it's going to combat my oiliness. I've been hearing really great things about the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I'm normally not a fan of like the more jelly moisturizers, but maybe I should be, and that's why I have oily skin, or is not helping my oily skin when I'm using creams. And then it's cute that this all came with travel sizes too, so I'm good to go. Everything comes in like a travel size. If any of you guys use this set, let me know like what you guys think about it. I would love to hear like, your feedback. Next up up is this kit from Clinique as well. This had like a plethora of like different things. It still has the snowflakes on this. Obviously I did get this during like the winter sale. I'm just gonna go down in order. The descriptions are in the back. This is what I used to use and then I kind of stopped for some reason. This was one of the best like eye makeup removers. This also has the dramatically hydrating jelly and the Pep Start eye cream, which is right here. Saw really good reviews for this as well. So excited to use that because Sume needs to take care of her under eye bags that are forming and the lines that want to creep out now. Any help I could get. And then you have the High Impact Mascara. This one here. I typically don't like to use mascara anymore, and that's just due to pure laziness. Just don't like having the extra work of scrubbing it off, but maybe incorporating Clinique eye makeup remover here, it'll make life easier for me. Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. It's this one here. Not sure about this one. Again, due to my pure laziness, I have to find a better word because it sounds terrible, but my routine at night and daytime is pretty long already. It's pretty extensive, so I'm not a huge fan of adding any more if I could help it, but I probably should start kind of, you know, taking the time to do like the mask. This is an overnight mask, so I definitely will check this out. Pep Start 2-in-1 Exfoliating Cleanser. That's down here. I think I remember reading like really good reviews about this, and it's exfoliating. I'm all about like removing all this dead skin. Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. That must be this. I wonder if this is kind of like an oil based. I guess we'll see. I've tried balms in the past. Like I feel like it's not as convenient as like a pump of like oil because I actually have to like dig my hands in or whatever the case may be, but willing to give it a shot. It's already here. The last one, Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. So the eyeliner here. It feels like I take forever to put on eyeliner. I think I just don't do it enough. So I tend to just use eyeshadow for my eyeliner. That's like sufficient for me for like every day. It's nice to have. Definitely want to try to find like a smoother one because I struggle. Let me know if like you guys try any of these products and you guys like it, you don't like it, let me know. I thought this was like a great set to kind of get into the whole Clinique brand again. It's like a little bit of everything. And then last one is this. I received this from my sister-in-law for Christmas. It's the Sephora Favorites Treat Yourself. So this has a little bit of everything. And what's cool is I think there were some products on here that I already kind of use or I wanted to try. So I love that it's already in here. This I will open. I'm curious. And yes, since Christmas, guys, so I'm finally opening it. And Chan, my sister-in-law, if you're watching, thank you. Ooh, I love sets. Don't you guys love sets? This makes me so happy. The items that I've wanted to try is actually this Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. I use the face oil already that I love. I'll probably insert the picture maybe somewhere here or something. I've wanted to try like something else from this brand, and I'm like, ooh, they have this cleanser, and I read so many good things about this. So I'm really excited to use this too. And what else did I want to use? The Charlotte Tilbury. It's a full-size lipstick here, guys. Color, that was the Matte Revolution in Pillow Talk. This is the Living Proof dry shampoo that I use and love. I stocked this up, I'm not kidding, where I have like rows and rows of it. Maybe I'll insert a picture of it. Like I feel like I'm at a store. I have so many, and I just love stocking up on this and the travel sizes. That way I could take it with me on the go. I think those were the only ones I kind of wanted to try. Everything else, I don't know what they're about. I'm gonna flip this back so we could go through. This also comes with the Beauty Blender, the Powder Pocket Puff. So it's dual-sided powder puff. There's also the Dr. Dennis Gross skincare. It's the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Oh, interesting. And I guess it has enough for 3 treatments. I'm just curious what that one is. Oh, it was this one. Help smooth fine lines with 7 acid. Ooh, minimize the look of pores. I need that. Improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. All sounds good. I'll be honest. I wish I had more time, more days, more faces to try all of these products on. Definitely will try to get to it, and once I do, if I do, I will post some type of review for it. Hourglass Cosmetics. What is this? So this Extreme Lash Mascara. It is in the the travel size. This one here. Oh, the tube is like triangular, which is kind of cute. Hum Nutrition Hair, Sweet Hair, Vegan Gummies for Healthy Hair. Oh, cool. Gives you 6 gummies. Been wanting to try like vitamins to help with hair and nails and all that. And I know like the gummies are like really popular. Excited to try that. IT Cosmetics Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil and Universal Taupe. It's down here. I don't think I've ever tried the brow anything from IT Cosmetics. That would be interesting to see. Nest Fragrances. It's a little candle. Cool. I'm not big with candles, but hey, this came with the set. Maybe I'll light it up. How do you say this? Away? Away? I don't know. I've seen this a lot. It's this one here. So this is the texturizing hairspray. I know they're big for like curly hair people. What else do you have on here? Sol de Janeiro. Am I saying this right? Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. My sister-in-law has talked about this before. This one here. I think it's very popular. I'll have to look into that one. I just love the name. It's pretty cute. Bum Bum Cream. Sunday Riley. Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. I am a big fan of facial oil, especially in the winters. Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. Oh, this is something I wanted to try. I think it was like actually in my favorites or like almost in my cart. Definitely excited to try that too. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, or if you want to let me know like what you've tried, what you haven't tried, whatever the case may be, good, bad, ugly, whatever, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear more because I definitely trust the reviews of real people. Let me know, and would love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys. Have a good one. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.